Welcome back to What We Cook USA. Today, we're out here by the riverside, surrounded by nature, a crackling fire, and the perfect start to our day of outdoor cooking. It's cooked right over open flames, false, simple, flavorful, and oh so American. To prepare our duck, we'll start by making precise cuts to ensure it cooks evenly. Not too thick, not too thin. Duck has a rich flavor, so it's perfect for outdoor fire cooking. Now, let's prepare our seasoning mix.
For seasoning, we'll use salt and black pepper for balance, crushed garlic and chili flakes for heat, a bit of onion paste, and a spoon of melted butter to bring that smoky richness. Add a squeeze of lemon juice for freshness and mix it all together. Now coat the duck pieces well. Every side should soak in that flavor. We'll let it marinate for about 30 minutes while the fire gets ready. That gives the spices time to settle deep into the meat. Now the fire's ready. Place the marinated duck pieces on a hot grill or skillet over medium flames. Listen to that sizzle. That's pure campfire magic. Flip the pieces slowly to get even browning on both sides. Brush with butter as it cooks. That gives a crispy edge and deep smoky flavor. Let it cook for 20-25 minutes until the outside turns golden and the inside stays juicy. And here it is, campfire cooked duck meat. Tender, smoky, and bursting with flavor. That's incredible. Crispy outside, juicy inside, and that fire-kissed flavor. Nothing beats this.
Thanks for watching What We Cook USA. If you love outdoor cooking, hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious campfire recipes. Hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to
See you next time out here in the wild where flavor meets fire.